Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about something very simple but extremely powerful in Excel, and that is undo and redo. Now, I know this might sound basic. You may be thinking, I already know Ctrl Z, but here's the thing. In accounting, small mistakes can lead to very big problems. Whether you're working on VAT returns, corporate tax computations, trial balances, financial statements, etc., one wrong action can change numbers, formulas, or totals without you realizing it. So today you will understand how undo works, how redo works, why they are critical for accountants, and how to use them properly in real accounting situations. Let's begin. By the end of this session, you should be able to instantly correct mistakes in Excel, recover deleted data or overwritten formulas, reapply actions if you undo something by mistake, work more confidently when preparing accounting reports. Now think about accounting work. We work under pressure, month-end closings, audit deadlines, tax filing dates. When you're working quickly, mistakes happen. Undo and redo improves accuracy, speed, confidence, internal control over financial data. It's like having a safety net while walking on a tightrope. Why accuracy matters in accounting? Accounting is not just about numbers, it's about reliability, compliance, audit readiness, error free calculations. Let's look at real examples. If you use the wrong VAT formula, you might file an incorrect VAT return. If your trial balance total is wrong, your financial statements won't match. If you accidentally delete an expense entry, expense become understated. If you enter a wrong corporate tax adjustment, the tax liability becomes incorrect. And these errors don't just stay in Excel, they go into reports, submissions, and audits. Undo and redo help stop these small mistakes from becoming big compliance issues. Let's talk about common Excel mistakes accountants make. Number one, accidental deletion of data. You might delete a journal entry row, a ledger balance, or revenues or expense figures. Secondly, you might mistake overwriting formulas. Instead of writing the formula, someone types 150,000. Now the automation is broken. Next month, totals won't update automatically. Number third, incorrect sorting. If you sort only one column in a ledger, account names won't match balances. Clients won't match amounts. Number four, deleting rows in trial balance. This affects debit and credit equality, financial statement linking formulas. These are very common mistakes, and this is exactly where undo becomes your best friend. Undo reverses the last action you performed. Think of it like going back in time, one step at a time. You can undo deleting cells, typing over data, formatting changes, inserted or deleted rows, sorting actions, or moving cells. Excel records your actions in temporary memory. When you press Ctrl+Z, it goes back one step. If you press it again, it goes back another step. You can keep pressing it multiple times to go back through several actions. This is extremely powerful during financial work. Let's look at real accounting examples. Example 1. Deleted revenue. You accidentally delete the revenue of 250,000. You panic. But instead of retyping or searching backup files, just press Ctrl+Z. Immediately the revenue is restored. Example number 2. VAT formula overwritten. Original formula, instead of editing something else, you type 10,000. Now the formula is gone. Press Ctrl+Z, the formula comes back. Example number 3. Wrong sorting. You sorted only one column in the general ledger. Everything mismatched. Instead of manually fixing it, press Ctrl+Z. The ledger returns to correct order. This saves minutes, sometimes hours of correction work. Now let's talk about redo. Redo is Ctrl+Y. Redo reapplies an action that was undone. So let's say you pressed undo too many times or you changed your mind. Redo brings the action back. It's basically the opposite of undo. Undo goes backward and redo goes forward again. This is very useful when you are experimenting with formatting or reviewing adjustments. Example 1. Formatting financial statements. You apply bold formatting to totals, then accidentally press undo. Formatting disappears. Instead of reformatting, press Ctrl+Y. Formatting comes back instantly. Example number 2. Removing an extra row. You delete a blank row, undo restores it, then you realize actually I needed it deleted. Press Ctrl+Y. Row is deleted again. Redo prevents rework. And in accounting, saving time during closing is very important. Let's connect this to real accounting workflows. During trial balance preparation, you can restore deleted accounts, reverse wrong adjustments. During bank reconciliation, recover deleted reconciliation items, reverse incorrect edits. And during corporate tax workings, restore tax adjustment formulas, reverse manual entry mistakes. During month-end closing, we work quickly. Undo and redo increase workflow efficiency. They reduce stress and they reduce correction time. Now this is very important. Undo is powerful, but it has limitations. First, undo history is limited. Excel only remembers a certain number of actions. Second, once you close the file, undo history is lost. Third, some actions cannot be undone. For example, saving over another file, running certain macros. Sometimes even saving the file may reset history depending on Excel version. So here's the key lesson. Undo is a safety tool, not a backup system. Never rely only on Ctrl+Z for major corrections. Here are best practices every accountant should follow. Use Save As before major changes. Before reformatting, massive adjustments, consolidation updates. Create a backup version and avoid hard coding. Don't replace formulas with numbers unless intentional. Hard coding breaks automation. Review before finalization. Check totals, debit and credit equality, VAT percentage accuracy, and linked sheets. Undo is a safety net, not a control system. Professional accountants rely on controls, not shortcuts. Here's a simple exercise you can try after this video. Create a simple trial balance. Insert formulas for totals, then delete a row accidentally. Press Ctrl+Z, watch it restore. Change formatting, undo and redo it. Observe how Excel tracks your actions. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Let's summarize. Undo Ctrl+Z. It reverses mistakes immediately. It protects financial accuracy and it is essential when working under pressure. Redo is Ctrl+Y. It restores undone actions, saves time, and improves workflow efficiency. These two shortcuts may seem small, but they make a big difference in accounting work. Master the basics, because strong fundamentals prevent costly errors. Thank you for watching. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more accounting Excel topics, and share it with colleagues who work with financial data. In our next video, we will cover another Excel feature that every accountant should master. See you next time.